Okay, here we go. We have taken our crushed aspirin and mixed it in our Erlenmeyer flask with a 50-50 mixture of ethanol and DI water. You will see that sitting on our stir plate. If you look really carefully down on the right hand side of that, you'll see the little stir bar turning. We have inserted the probe from the pH meter. You can read the pH on the pH meter at this point as 4.022. We've filled our burette with sodium hydroxide. Our starting value is 3.5 milliliters. And I'm going to adjust our flow so we deposit 0.5 milliliters at a time into our aspirin solution. You should record the pH readings as I deposit each one of these increments of sodium hydroxide. So, magic trick is to turn this on and do 0.5 at a time. And we're going to turn on the pH meter and it'll bounce around. And here we go. We are at 6, 6.5, 7.5, 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5, 10, 10.5, 11, 11.5, 12, 12.5, 13, 13.5, 14, trying to adjust this a little bit, 14.5, 15, 15.5, 16, 16.5, 17, 17.5, and I'm going to stop. You will note that our pH meter has jumped way up there to 13.779 and moving a little bit. We're going to leave it run for a minute, see if it'll stabilize out as that sodium hydroxide is mixed in with our aspirin. I don't know how well you could read those measurements. They went fairly fast, which is why we're going to run 2 trials of this. Your ultimate goal will be to graph the volume versus the pH readings. So it takes a while for this to stabilize out, and I'm going to let it set and run. And there you go. We stabilized out at 13.841.